Today's video is dedicated to those who open their trading screens every single day, only to watch their small accounts slowly bleed away. It's for everyone who keeps thinking, if only I had a bigger account, I would be printing money by now. But let me tell you the brutal truth about the markets. The market does not reward those with deep pockets. It rewards those who know how to protect what little they have. 99% of traders fail because social media has turned trading into a video game. Everywhere you look, there are screenshots of massive profits, luxury cars, and overnight millions. But nobody tells you the real story of how a small trader, starting with just a few $100s, actually survives and grows. Today, there will be no fake motivation, no get-rich-quick lies, and no doubling your account in a day nonsense. We are going to talk about pure trading psychology because growing a small account is not a game of strategy. It is a brutal mental game. When I first started trading, I was no different. I had a tiny account and a massive ego. I wanted to change my life with one big trade, and that exact mindset kept wiping me out. I was overtrading, chasing the market, removing my stop losses, and cutting my profits short. Why? Because I didn't just want to make money. I wanted it fast. And that is the defining line between an amateur and a professional. An amateur wants to get rich fast. A professional wants to become disciplined and survive. If you are trading with a small account, your primary goal is not to make a fortune. Your goal is simply to stay alive in the game. Survival breeds success. The most painful part of losing money isn't the capital itself. It's the slow destruction of your self-belief. When you lose repeatedly, you start believing that trading isn't meant for you. But the truth is, you were just following the wrong rules. Trading is a business, and like any real business, it grows organically, brick by brick. Think about a powerful analogy. When you plant a seed, nothing happens the first year. Nothing happens the second year. People might look at you and laugh. But in the fifth year, it suddenly shoots up into the sky. Why? Because for 4 years, it wasn't growing upward. It was growing downward, building massive, unbreakable roots. Small account trading is your rooting phase. You are building the discipline, the risk management, and the emotional resilience that will support $1 million account in the future. But people want the fruit before the root is formed, and the market brutally rejects them. A small account is actually a blessing in disguise because it allows you to make mistakes where the financial damage is minimal. However, most people treat it like a casino. They look at a small, consistent profit and think, what's the point of making $5? So they scale up their position size, take massive risks, and blow up. Remember this, if you cannot manage a $500 account with strict discipline, you will lose a $500,000 account even faster. The market simply amplifies who you already are inside. Let's look at two types of traders. The first trader chases big profits every day, guided entirely by excitement and greed. The second trader focuses solely on executing their plan flawlessly, tracking their process rather than the money. A year from now, the second trader will completely outpace the first because the market doesn't reward emotional hope. It rewards systematic execution. Professional trading is actually incredibly boring. There are no heroic entries, no all-in moments, and no daily drama. Just cold, repetitive discipline. The human brain craves instant gratification, but the market only rewards extreme patience. The biggest secret to growing a small account is realizing that you don't need to catch every single move. Money in the market isn't made by constantly trading. It is made by sitting on your hands and waiting for the perfect opportunity. But waiting is agonizing because the fear of missing out. FOMO starts playing tricks on your mind. A professional knows that the market will open again tomorrow, and opportunities are infinite, but your capital is finite. Protect the capital first, and the profits will take care of themselves. To truly scale a small account, you must undergo a complete self-transformation. You must transition from a gambler looking for excitement to a business owner executing a system. Stop comparing your day one to someone else's day 1000 on social media. True trading is silent. It's just you, a screen, and the thoughts inside your head. If you can master your mind, you can master the market. Focus on small wins. Avoiding a bad trade is a win. Staying calm after a loss is a win. Not over-leveraging after a profitable day is a win. These silent victories build the character that creates generational wealth. Treat your small account with respect, stop forcing the market, and let the law of compounding do its magic. If this perspective shifted something within you today, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment about your biggest psychological struggle, and remember, walk slowly but never stop. I will see you in the next video.